What's up guys, Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATVMC and welcome to our 2016 KX450F bike build. Alright guys, so for RM Fantasy SX this year, our first place winner was going to win a brand new 2016 KX450F, and that is the bike that I have right here in front of me. But we're not giving away just a stock bike. We've actually added a lot of parts to this bike for added performance and also to make it look really good. Now we've had a lot of great help from some awesome sponsors, and today we just want to walk through and we're going to show you everything that's been done to this bike. So to start off, Kawasaki, those guys sent us a brand new 2016 KX450F, which gave us a really good platform to start with. So right off the showroom floor, this bike puts out a ton of power, it has great handling, and it comes with really good show suspension. But we didn't stop there. We wanted to take it even further and make this bike even better. So the first thing we did is we took the suspension off and we actually sent that up to Precision Concepts. And we wanted to make sure the bike was customized for our winner. So we had the guys at Precision Concepts set up the suspension for the rider's weight and also his riding style. We've been working with Precision Concepts for a while now, and these guys really know what they're doing. After that, we took the bike up to Matt Jory at Proven Moto, and we let Matt work his magic on the engine.
Hey, this is Matt Jory from Proven Moto, and today I'm going to talk to you about what we did with the RM Fantasy SX dirt bike giveaway. We went ahead and made a plan to build this motor to be able to run on pump gas, be reliable, but also really wake the motor up and make some more horsepower, which is what everyone wants. So the head went off for CNC Pro Port Spec port work, and once the cylinder head was back from port work, the engine went together and we were able to optimize the cam timing, change a few degrees there to really try and shift the power down to a little bit lower in the rev range, which is what most riders are looking for out of these bikes. Once the bike was back together, went off to the dyno room and were able to build a custom fuel map and ignition map to really make everything work together. I was pretty stoked with the results for this bike, and I think the new owner is going to be really happy too. We also thought we'd add a little of the factory touch, so we went ahead and hard anodized the engine covers of the motorcycle, and it really gives it that dark look that you see on a lot of the factory bikes out there, so something aesthetic that looks pretty cool too.
All right, so now that we've got the engine back on the bike, we've got our suspension back, now we're going to run through and talk about everything else that went into this bike. Now the full FMF 4.1 RCT exhaust, that was on the bike before it went to Matt at Proven Moto. Wanted to make sure that when Matt dynoed this bike and tuned it, that everything was working together perfectly. From there, we did a full Tusk Impact wheel set in the front and the rear, and then Pirelli, those guys were awesome. They hooked us up with some brand new Scorpion MX32 tires in the front and rear, which is a rock solid tire. Now up here at the front of the bike, we've got some ODI CFT handlebars, we've got some ODI MX lock-on grips, and then to top the whole bike off, we've got some really good looking anodized parts, and then we had the guys at Attack Graphics. They designed some custom graphics for our winner that really just set the bike off. All right guys, so thanks for checking out our 2016 KX450F bike build. We want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Kawasaki, Precision Concepts, and Proven Moto, and everyone else that helped us get this bike dialed in. We know the winner's going to be really stoked to take this bike home. Now remember, sign up to play RM Fantasy SX next year, subscribe to us on YouTube, and head over to our website at RockyMountainATVMC.com, and you'll be able to shop and see all the parts that we talked about today. I'm Chase here at Rocky Mountain, and we'll see you on the trails.